waterproofing problems and concerns caused by leaks and cracks on roofs, firewalls, cement gutters, and downspouts are now a thing of the past. Introducing Primero Multi-Seal. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the target surface. Make sure that there are no loose particles. Let us now begin. Once the lid is open, apply the product on the clean area using a brush. Make sure to cut enough size of fiber cloth to cover gaps and cracks. Apply another coat on top and let it touch dry before the second application. Use crisscross pattern. Primero Multi-Seal is more economical. A 200-gram can be used to cover up to 100 nail heads. Our competitors? Only 20 nail heads. Primero Multi-Seal is also easy to apply with the use of a brush. Available in 200 grams, 600 grams, 4 kilograms, and 20 kilograms. Available in 16 different colors. UV Resistant. Long storage life. Water pressure test. Tapak test. Surface coverage. So, for all your waterproofing problems and concerns caused by leaks and cracks on roofs, firewalls, cement gutters, and downspouts, trust Primero Multi-Seal.